Hi guys, how are you? I think all are well by the grace Almighty Allah. Yeah, we are going to do a conversation with each other. My younger brother Nunovi, he is a funny person.
Hi everybody.
Yeah. Okay, Nunovi, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Yeah, I am fine also by the great Almighty Allah.
Yeah, I know you are a funny guy and you are a awesome guy. Yeah.
You are also.
Yeah.
Okay, do you tell me your full name?
Yeah, my name is Nunubi. There is nothing to another things.
There is
before
the
and
short
after.
time.
Yeah, only Nunubi.
Yeah,
My name is
okay.
Nunubi. Yeah.
Do you know the meaning of your name?
Yeah, my name is Nunubi. If you call Arabic way,
Yeah.
then you can find out the meaning. Nur means light, Nabi means messenger.
Messenger.
That means messenger of light.
Yeah, yeah.
In this way you can express, yeah?
Yeah. I
That's
think
it.
that's a great name.
Yeah,
And,
of course. Thanks.
Okay. Okay, please tell about yourself or describe yourself.
Yeah, no problem. I'm Nunubi.
Yeah.
I come from Tangal. I passed SSC and HSC in the year of 2007 and 2009. And also I obtained graduation degree in the year of 2014, and I also obtained post-graduation in the year of 2015. Now I am a assistant teacher of primary school.
Yeah. That's
And also I have to get a good job, you know that.
good. Yeah.
Yeah, but maybe I think Allah will give me. I don't know.
Yeah.
Give me a chance. That's it.
Yeah.
And also, if I get a leisure time, that I want to go travel, and also I want to make a garden. Yeah.
Yeah,
This is
gardening.
my hobby, and
Yeah.
this is my only one dream.
Yeah.
I want to be a polyglot.
Yeah.
This is my
Polyglot
dream.
and no, have you season what's the types of language you are wanted to learn?
Yeah, I want to learn first of all, Bangla. This is my mother tongue or native language.
Yeah.
No problem. And the second language in English.
Yeah.
You know that also. I'm trying
Yeah.
nowadays to speak and to learn or gather some knowledge about English. And also a third language, which language I want to learn. This is Arabic. And fourth language, which language I want to learn. This is Spanish, or maybe in Japanese, or maybe Portuguese. In this way, I can increase my language
Yeah.
day by day.
Okay.
But I think it is very tough, but it is not impossible.
Yeah. I think
Maybe once upon a
you
time,
have a confidence.
I can overcome.
Yeah, I think you have a confidence, and
Yeah, of course.
you know that confidence makes a half of your any effort.
Yeah, of course,
Okay,
of course.
do you think it's important to be polyglot?
No, there is no. I think this is not important things. This is my dream. Yeah.
Your dream.
Yeah, this is my dream because I want to travel all over the country,
Yeah.
all over the world. That's the reason.
Yeah.
If I know a language, and then if I get a chance to go abroad, and if I can express myself their native language, that will be fantastic, and that scenery will be amazing.
Yeah.
That's the reason I want to learn his language, and also this is my dream. Yeah.
Okay, have you been gone any abroad?
No,
any
right
country?
now I haven't. I haven't go
Do you have a
any
passport?
abroad country. No, I haven't any passport right now, but I want to make my passport, and also if I get a chance, and then I want to go abroad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, have you visited any place of our country?
Yeah, of course. I want to visit.
Which place
some
is best and interesting for to travel?
Yeah, I went Kuakata.
Kuakata.
This is, I think this is good, and this is amazing, and you can watch a sunset and sunrise in this beach.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I think it's a great and famous place of our country because it is famous for sunset or sunrise in one place.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
this is great.
And it's the country's.
Okay, brother, say something about yourself.
Yeah, I am Khandaja and I come from Rajbari.
Khandaja. And this is your real name?
yeah, it's my real name, but I have another name. My another name is Muhammad Jafar Khan.
Jafar Khan, yeah, I know that.
Yeah, it's a famous name of our history.
Yeah.
It's a very, very bad history.
No problem.
Yeah, okay. But it's a name. Just, but when a person is known his activities. Yeah. It's not important the name. Yeah, what's your activities? It will show you. You are good or bad.
Yeah.
Okay, but I am happy by this name. Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
And many people will find me in this name, but it doesn't matter. Okay.
Yeah,
it's name, and my grandfather called me this name.
Yeah, of
and
course.
I thanked him.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. My native town is Rajbari, Pangsha.
Yeah,
it's
but how often
fantastic.
do you go your native town?
Yeah, now I am living in Dhaka city for my activities or for my study purpose. I am living in Dhaka city.
Yeah, I know.
But we have no chance to often in my hometown. But I try to go there in two festivals such as Idul Fitr and Idul Adha and another purpose. So when it's very important for me to go my hometown, at that time I try to go.
Okay.
My
Which
hometown.
type of transport do you use?
Yeah, we have a transport. It's mainly bus, because we have across. We have no bridge. We have to cross by ferry for the river. One side is Gwalondo Ghat and another side is Paturia Ghat. We have no another road transport such as rail Sanjog. I hope when Podda Bridge will be completed, then we will maybe able to go by train journey. But now I usually go by bus. It's a good and there are very, very good service on bus service.
Okay, brother, what do you do about your leisure time or about your free time?
Yeah,
in your free time?
So I try to watch movie such as English or another Bengali movie, and it's a great time for Tamil movie and Telugu movie.
Yeah,
they are famous for their style and action and another drama history. They are famous. And it's attractive me.
Yeah.
And for my entertainment, I try to watch some movie, and when I get few times, I try to do exercise. I think exercise is good for everybody, and it will be improve your humanity. And
Yeah.
every morning I try to go walk and to run or to do some exercise.
Yeah.
And sometimes I try to read some famous novel such as Humayun Ahmed and Rabindranath.
Yeah, that's
And
great.
I try to read some English novel or funny, and I am try to memorize some poem or Bangla poem.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
already
great.
I have memorized some.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. That's great. You are doing huge things in your leisure time. That's great. But
Have you interest to hear a poem, Bengali poem?
yeah, you can recite a poem.
Okay, I am trying,
Okay.
but
That will be great.
professionally I am not a reciter.
Okay,
I will
no
try.
problem. Okay, recite.
Yeah, I want to try tell or recite uh, four lines. Yeah,
Which poem?
yeah, it's Kobur by Joshimuddin.
You can recite, but I think this is not good enough for recite. You can recite Banalata Sen.
Yeah,
This is
yeah,
amazing.
But all time I try to tell you that. Okay, I'm trying.
Yeah, of course. That will be great.
Banalata Sen, it's written by Jivanananda Das, the great poem of a poet of our country
Yeah.
or of our subcontinent. বনলতা সেন, হাজার বছর ধরে আমি পথ হাঁটিতেছি পৃথিবীর পথে, সিংহল সমুদ্র থেকে নিশীথের অন্ধকারে মালয় সাগরে। অনেক ঘুরেছি আমি বিম্বিসার অশোকের ধূসর জগতে, সেখানে ছিলাম আমি আরো দূর অন্ধকার বিদর্ভ নগরে। আমি ক্লান্ত প্রাণ এক, চারিদিকে জীবনের সমুদ্র সফেন, আমারে দুদণ্ড শান্তি দিয়েছে নাটোরের বনলতা সেন। চুল তার কবেকার অন্ধকার বিদিশার নিশা, রূপ তার শ্রাবস্তির কারুকার্য, অতি দূর সমুদ্রের পর হাল ভেঙে যে নাবিক হারায়েছে দিশা, সবুজ ঘাসের দেশ যখন চোখে দেখে দারুচিনে দ্বীপের ভিতর, তেমনি দেখেছি তারে অন্ধকারে, বলেছে সে এতদিন কোথায় ছিলেন। পাখির নীরের মতো চোখ তুলে নাটোরের বনলতা সেন। সমস্ত দিনের শেষে যখন সন্ধ্যা আসে, ওকে।
But I think সমস্ত দিনের শেষে যখন
সমস্ত দিনের শেষে শিশিরের শব্দের মতো যখন সন্ধ্যা নামে,
ডানার
রৌদ্রের গন্ধ মুছে ফেলে চিল,
পৃথিবীর
সব আলো নিভে গেলে পাণ্ডুলিপি করে আয়োজন, তখন গল্পের তরে জোনাকি রঙে ঝিলমিল, সব পাখি ঘরে আসে, সব নদী ফুরায় জীবনের সব লেনদেন, থাকে শুধু অন্ধকার মুখোমুখি বসিবার নাটোরের বনলতা সেন। Okay, but I am trying.
But I think this is not good.
Okay,
because
sorry to
I'm-
because I am not completing the all. But
Next
time I will try.
I am hope you will recite this poem very well, but you don't. You are not fulfill my hope.
Yeah. Okay, I'm
This
sorry.
is the
I am
thing,
sorry to
yeah.
say. But
Okay, no problem. Okay. After all, that's great.
okay,
you are trying
do
to.
you know any poem? Are you want to say? Try to say poem, Bengali
No,
poem,
right-
or
right
another
now-
English poem,
No.
or sing a song.
No, no, brother. Right now, I think I don't recite any poems because next time
Okay.
I want to recite another poem. Yeah, that will be great.
Yeah.
Okay, I think today is enough. Well, no more today.
Yeah.
And we also know that this is pandemic situation. So everybody should stay home, keep healthy, and wash your hand again and again as much as possible.
Properly.
Yeah, in this way.
Stay healthy.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we are trying to say something in English. I think
we are trying to make fun.
And
this is
I
the
think
main thing.
We are have many mistakes.
Of course.
But I am trying
to
be a good speaker or fluent skill. We are want to increase. Okay, no problem. But it's depends on practicing.
Yeah.
So I will request all you who are interested to be a good speaker and to be fluent in English. Please keep practicing more and more, because there is no other way to be a good speaker by practicing. Without practicing, so keep practicing, keep learning, and take care yourself, take your family, stay healthy by the grace Almighty Allah, and bye bye, tata.
Bye bye.